Hello everyone, I'm here to teach you how to download your music video from Starmaker going to your gallery. Please watch my video and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Hello guys, I'm back. I'm here now to teach you on how to download your music video from Starmaker to your gallery. Important, you have the WhatsApp account. This one, this can download from your app store. Okay, we have already the WhatsApp account, and then we will go to our Starmaker. You need to find your video, the one you want to download. Okay, I want this one. We will try this. Touch this one. Okay. So loud. Okay. Did you see this share button? This one. Share. Share it to the WhatsApp. Okay. Share to your account. Choose one. And the arrow. Okay. If you see this HTTPS, you need to copy that until here in the last number only. Okay. HTTPS. Copy. Press from HTTPS until the last number only. Last number. Yeah. Did you see this one? Okay. We will copy this one. Copy. No need to send. No need. Okay. Just press done. And we go to Chrome. This the Chrome. This one. Look, Chrome. Touch this one. And then type the Starmaker downloader. Okay, it's ready. It's here. We just send go. Okay, I will choose this one. Starmaker downloader. And then did you see that enter the Starmaker URL? The one you copy from the video. You will paste it here. Paste. Okay. Paste. Okay. Here is the URL. And then you need to submit. You check the video if okay. You need to try. Okay, the video is okay. You touch the download. And did you see this? You touch this one and then the arrow. Okay. Did you see the download? You press the download. Okay. And then check to your gallery if it is already downloaded. Let's check the gallery, okay? Check. Where is it? The gallery is here. We will check. Look. This new. It means it was downloaded successfully. Okay. This one. We'll try to play the video. Okay, it is already in my gallery. I hope you learned from my video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.